Good day, welcome to Mosiness Design. In the continuation of our 5-bedroom that we are working on, so in the last episode, this is how far what we are able to create. So in this one, we are going to start working on the beautification of it. So the structure has not finished yet, so let us move to the roof structure, and we are able to finish with some of what we have here. So let us create the roof structure so that we'll be able to move on to the next and see how the look of the building is coming out small by small. So now let's go on. So go to start elevation or any elevation of your choice, and you click here and say create similar. So you draw the next one, which is here. So you create another one additional. That's why I encourage you to do that. So that's it. Now you rename every one of them accordingly. You can rename them from here by double clicking. Or what you just need to do is change this one to this one is 2, this one to 3. So go to this one and change it again, and change this one to 4. Understand? So that's it. If rather you change it from here, we ask you a question, but it's okay to change it from this part of elevation. So what else do I need to do? I'm going to go to level 3, and while I'm seeing on the lay of the level 2, so yes, I'm going to draw my roof. So go to architecture and say roof, and the roof by footprint. That's what we use. It's a common roof design pattern. So you are going to say click here and then pick all the walls accordingly. So that's what I'm going to do. Got the wall accordingly. Got the wall into 30. Got the regular wall that's have a connection with what you are creating. So you understand now. So what's going on here? What's the issue? What's the issue? So sorry for the issue with the software. So just like cover everything so that you'll be able to draw what you need to do. So now let's trim. Okay. And then the final one, which is this one. So we have it now completely. You can close. So this means it work. So go back, and this time around I will edit it. The reason that I've not create if around it. So click here and see somewhere. So offset. So you see offset without copy. That's what you do. Don't use copy. Offset without copy. So it's able to make itself without giving you any edit. So I'm going to do it here too, and I'll do this one. So that's how far. Not this one, I'm not fitting. So click it. So say don't. Then you put the 3 and 6. That is perfect or not. So just check the front elevation. So if it's of normal height for you, fine. But I don't like this one, it's too short. So I'm going to increase everything by saying 40 degrees. So to make it more taller, more high. So that's what I do. So now I'm going to select this one, and I will reduce the thickness. So say edit. I don't need to duplicate. Just edit. Press the category. Select. Change the category completely out from here. You can create your own and rename it, or duplicate material with assets and call it to. So sorry. Or have double roof, because you may have from another roof existing, so that the name will not go for right. So now you say use any appearance. I'm going to change the appearance of it completely. I'm going to go here, and I will go to appearance library. While I go to search for roofing, when I change this, I'm going to use this one single as far as single. So this is what I want to use. And I say okay. I think with this one I'm okay with it. So fine. So I'm not going to go direct. I'm going to change the. Okay, let's show you something again for those people who have not been following. So now we have it here. Material is changed. So check it from the realistic view. Update. So from the identity view, that you see that the material is completely changed. See the material. So come to reality. Now it's not over yet. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to go back to normal hidden line. While I select this, and I will change this thickness to 50. So I prefer this. It's okay. Now it's come to normal. So this is part for which now I want to make sure that this line draws. So what I'm saying is that I want to be seeing line here. Even though I'm here, I should be able to see line. So click here and say edit. So edit this time around again and go back to that roof. So now I want to work on graphics. So surface is only where I want to do it. When I'm clicking on surface, I want to use model. So from the model now, what you do is that you click here and say okay, vertical. It's your choice. If it's okay by you, you maintain that. So you're going to see this line completely. Can you see? So I've done this one. Now my next aspect is, before I proceed, is to create a this cap. So copy that overboard. So go to 3D or site. Now you got a vertical for this. Select. So from there now you offset. Say offset 500. I say 500. 80. Click offset 80. So you move around. Offset 80. Then you move around. And do the offsetting for each line. You see the line identifier. You start from the peak part. Understand? Start from the peak part. Don't come from here. This is not what you want to work on. So all the peak line of the roof is what you target. Do not target gutter, because nothing will be done if your focus is on gutter. So target the peak part. So like this. So this one, and this, and this, and this, and like this. Move on to this, and this, and this. So if you are watching this one, just kindly subscribe and just subscribe to our channel. If you feel like subscribing, same time, if you like what we are doing, you can become a member and keep assisting us through that channel. We have to be able to have energy to do more. So for those who have been supporting, we are grateful unto you. Thank you for your support over the years. For those who don't have capacity to, but you are watching, one of the great support of all time too. So just keep learning, keep moving, and so that you'll be able, at any time in life, you'll be able to present something that yes, you've done, join something later. So now when in this plan that you don't allow your line to intersect, and don't allow looping line. That is, don't allow line inside line as well. So all the line was closely connected. One mustn't go across the other. So check that after you have done all your work finish. Maybe check it by click finish. You get there now. So if any error that remains, it's going to refill itself. So when it does that, don't be afraid or panic. All you just needs to be concentrate your idea and see whether what you have done one way or the other was wrong. And if it's wrong, then correct yourself. So that's how it works. So I'm going to say click here, select, delete. So what I do here is that I will say finish. You see what will happen. So this means that there is still error here. So continue sketch, that's what you click. So what you need now is to click here and draw the line. Cancel. Pick from the edge and draw this line. So finish. So the edge is now decorated. So in being more fitting, you can imagine that's how it looks, which is very good and perfect. So done with this one. Quickly let us do facial for this before we proceed towards whatever that's needed. So I'm going to go back to level 3. At level 3 this time around. Okay, I think it's okay. You can still use it. So go back and say component. So model in place is what I'm going to do, and say casement, casework. Say okay. So in this particular thing now, you go to extrude sweep, and you say sketch part. Select this. Pick the main line and start. Pick the main line and start doing your work. So that's what you do. That's what you design. Now it is, you can quickly do your design and get what you want to get for a pathway. That's the way you can see it. But go back to level 2 where those things are more plain and plain. So do that for me. So follow through step by step and get your idea right. So I'm done with this. Then change this one. I think with this now I'm good to go. Click finish whether it's close. So it's close, it's selected and close. So we need the profile and go to level start allocation. Then you draw your design profile according to the way you see it. So this is where this one lies. This is something difficult. So let me just say knots. Let me use knots to define that so that I'll be able to make sure I snap to the inner parts. So I'm going to start from there. Just take like 20 cm. From there. So 80. Do this one. Coffee bit. Go like this. So from there now you select and you just get your 350. So now you go here and copy bit up. So here now you get a hack and draw it. So close everything down and let it design form. So that's your part, the profile you have done, and click finish. Then click finish now, everything generated, so you have seen it. So go to the front elevation, and this is how far we go on this particular tutorial here. So click save. So we got to the roof aspect. We create the roof fascia. Can you see? So in the next tutorial, we are now going to be tidying up and bring the aesthetic windows and some of other decoration that we are going to be doing. So the main structure is out. If you build your house to this level, you know that yes, you have spent money. So you have the next one is not a beautification of the whole idea. So time for watching. See you in the next tutorial. God bless you.